Hey 7th graders, so today we worked on finding a missing number, especially when we already know the mean. So here are the steps. You will need to copy them down, so pause the video and copy this information down. Alright, so the first step is we add the given numbers. The second step is we count the numbers and we have to include the unknown number and times the given mean by how many we just counted and subtract. I will tell you right here is this is the biggest mistake people make is they forget to include the unknown number. So let's practice this together. All right, so on your worksheet there won't be a question mark, but there will be a line that indicates a blank spot for the missing number. So what you're going to do is you're going to take, first step is to take the numbers we have on that one side of the equal sign and add them together. So pause the video, grab a calculator, and add those together. So when I added those numbers up, I got 106. Now, I count how many numbers I have on that side. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, including the missing number. So now I take my mean, which is right here given to me, and I times that number by 10 and I get out 121. So that's step 2. Now step 3 says I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to subtract the 121, subtract 106, and I get out 15. So my missing number is 15. Okay, let's look at the next one. Okay, do step 1 by yourself. When I add up all the known numbers, I get 55. Then I count how many I have, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I'm going to times 9.86 by 7. And I get out 69.02. So now I have 69.02 minus 55, and 69.02 minus 55, that equals 1402. And that's my missing number. All right, guys, go forth, do your homework, and I'll see you in class.